I work a long day, but it's worth it knowing when I get home I can relax and let the songs play. First I check my account, see that I got paid. Then
What's going on, everybody? Mala here. Have you ever wondered, hey, this is a really good looking piece of tech, but I just wish I could make it more my own, you know, my style, with my little tweaks and features, looking a little different, but without using a razor blade at it like Jerry Rig Everything does? Well, do I have an option for you? To be fair, I have thousands of options for you. These are Mighty Skins, well, skins. And just to clarify, they did send this stuff over, but my opinions are my own. It's just cool to receive stuff to review once in a while. But hey, I can tell you right off the bat that if you're the type of person that has a little bit of a difficulty, you know, you take a little bit too long when looking at a big menu at a restaurant, you're going to have a problem because look at these guys' website. They have skins for thousands of products, not to mention the amount of different designs is borderline insane. You could even technically say it's endless because you can upload your own images and tweak texts and all that jazz in their skin customizer stuff, but just picking off the shelf is going to take you quite a while. Now, you guys might have already seen a couple of these skins in my Galaxy S9 review, which if you haven't, you can check it out here, but this is the care package they sent me. One skin pack for the Galaxy S9, which comes with the back portion plus two little sleeves for the front of the phone. One package for my Believe 14, which comes with the top panel plus the keyboard, DAC, wrist rest area with a cutout for the trackpad, obviously. The skin that you just saw on my Pixel 2 XL, which is just the back portion. And a pack for the DJI Spark with a couple of tweaks for the controller, which is cool. Now, the process of actually applying them is quite straightforward. You just peel it off the sheet and go for it. Pay attention to the cutouts of the particular product you're trying to, you know, skin over, and you should be good. There's no requirement for heat, and the little air bubbles that are going to pop in, you know, below the skin as you apply them are easily, you know, scraped off with your finger, but I would suggest using something like a credit card or something a little more bendy to help out, you know, just smooth things over, but faster. But as you can see in the background, when you get to something as complex as a flipping drone, it may take you a little while longer. It does get a lot more complex, a lot more complicated, and it might frustrate you if you're the type to get impatient with this sort of thing, which will get you to wrinkle stuff that you wouldn't like to wrinkle. So take your time, go slowly, use the cutouts which are quite precise to align everything properly, and you will have a pretty smoothly laid out skin on pretty much anything you want. Now, they advertise this material as being automotive grade laminate vinyl, which I cannot tell apart from regular laminate vinyl if you put them side by side in front of me, even if I try to. But what I can tell you is that the quality of the print is quite nice, there's no texture to it, and the quality of the material is pretty resistant as well. So you're probably going to get a little more protection from scrapes and scratches on your device on top of, you know, making it look yours. To be fair though, Mighty Skins, just some little feedback. I'd say that the glue seems to be a bit weaker than it should for some of the applications. For example, the little sleeves for the front of the S9, they peeled off relatively fast while just, you know, normally using the phone for a couple of days, getting it in and out of my pocket. So that could be improved upon. But, on contrast, this back portion on both the S9 and the Pixel 2 XL here are rock solid. Not even a hint of them peeling off at all. And that's really good. Oh, one more thing. If you have a drone like a DJI Spark, for example, and you would like to use, or you do actually use these protectors for the blades, well, these already have a really, really tight fit. And even though the skins are actually really thin, they're not going to fit nicely together. You're probably going to be pushing the skin over when you try to, you know, get this in place. So either just make a little cut on the top portion of the skin so that this may, you know, get in, or don't apply the top portion if you want to use the protector. But otherwise, you're pretty cool. It's just something to keep in mind. So, if you guys are up for some customization for your phone, or your drone, or your laptop, or your console, or your hoverboard, or even your vape, yes, I said vape, check out everything else that these guys got going on there. They have a bunch more stuff. I'll leave a link down below in the description so that you guys can go check it out. They're based in Palm Beach and they ship internationally, so you're good to, you know, order from them no matter where you live. You're going to get your skins no problem. Thanks again, Mighty Skins, for sending all this stuff over. And this is it for this one. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments or suggestions down below as usual if you feel like it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.